My name is Connor and I've had more than 10 million people visit my websites over the past number of years through SEO. I've also been using AI to create content since the release of ChatGPT. This is my list of AI tools for SEO for 2025. If you want to check these tools out, I have added them to my AI SEO Starter, which is free in the description down below. Instead of giving you a big list of AI SEO tools, I thought I'd show you how I'm actually using them. The best use of AI for SEO, in my opinion, is for keyword research and content creation. And the best way for me to show you these tools is to go through these processes. There are tons and tons of ways to do keyword research with AI, and these are just two ways. The first way isn't really keyword research. I pay close attention to what is trending in my niches and create content that I know people will want because I also need this content. The second way is to do some research, find topics that people are actually searching for. The only way to know for sure that people are searching something is to use Google autocomplete. Google and YouTube both use autocomplete to help the user search common results. These are the topics that people are searching for. But it's too manual to search through all these topics altogether, so why don't we use AI to help us along with it? I use a tool called You Autocomplete Me, which gathers all of the keywords that are related to the main search idea. You can then use an AI tool to generate blog posts or video ideas based on these keywords. You can try Claude, ChatGPT, or Perplexity, but I find Perplexity generally gives the best results. This is just one way out of 20 ways that I do keyword research with AI, and there's just too many to share with you in this video. I'll leave this prompt in the comments below, but there are some really powerful prompts in the AI SEO Starter Kit and in my AI SEO course, which you can find in the link in the description. AI models like Claude 3.5 Sonnet and ChatGPT have gotten really good at writing over the past number of months. You could use ChatGPT to write your blog post, but personally I prefer to use AI tools that save me time so that I can produce content faster. I use two tools, Koala Writer and Journalist AI, and you can find discounts for them in the description. Both tools provide excellent quality content and I use them interchangeably. I use Journalist when I need something in depth and Koala Writer for listicles and shorter articles. Let's take one of the topics Perplexity gave us and use Koala Writer to write an article. I use Claude Sonnet 3.5 as the best at writing, and then I add in my keyword. You must then choose your target audience, and I highly recommend turning Create Outline on. AI tools tend to get lost and you may not get the outline you are looking for first time around. So I delete the topics that I don't want and ask Koala Writer to write the article for me. As you can see, the article looks fantastic and I can either copy this onto my website or automatically send it to my WordPress website. Journalist AI also auto-publishes to my website and also creates very good content. They also have an AI content editor that lets me rework the article and I can edit it further. There are other tools out there for different purposes that specialize in content outlining and writing different types of content online. My favorite one of these is called Phrase.io. In my view, the biggest change to SEO is the growth in social media and AI platforms. Younger people are just not using Google as much. They are searching for information on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. That's not to mention that also that people are using ChatGPT and Perplexity, so it's very important to think about how these changes are affecting our traffic to our websites. That means that we need to adapt and try to learn about these different platforms. I'll leave a link to another video on how to rank in ChatGPT at the end of this video. For social media, I also recommend embracing AI to speed up your workflows. I go through all of my processes in my AI for SEO course, and I will be updating it all the time as I learn more and more, so be sure to check it out. Other aspects of SEO, like technical SEO, are more difficult to use AI. Most people don't really need this unless you're working for an enterprise company. That's the only time you need to spend time in that. If you are just a solopreneur or a small company, spend most of your time focusing on content, just like doing the processes that I've just taught in this video. That's how you see the most results. That's how you see huge traffic to your websites. Don't keep looking for this next secret hack that SEO can just boom, increase your traffic in 2 minutes. No, it's a long process. Keep publishing. Keep going day by day and you will see increases. So in my opinion, the best way to do SEO is to focus on content. And content in 2025 means both long-form blog posts and video content for social media platform. SEO is changing and it's just becoming more of a broad topic. You could see it as one aspect of the marketing channel, but I see them all together. So if you are struggling with any of this, check out my AI SEO course in the first comment down below. Thanks for watching.